some dirty looking clouds. Hail Mary.
That's the little chaser right in front of us.
Is it?
Yeah. That's Michael Drago.
Look how dirty these clouds are. Hail's falling right there. There's the white streaks. Oh, rain's here. Woo!
Oh, rain's here.
Could be a nader here too.
Uh-oh.
Keep it going as a dash cam. This is rain wrapped like a big dog. High winds. Let's see if I got any better left on my. That's gonna be it right here. God dang. Keep recording.
I am.
If we start moving, I'll turn sideways to it. Yeah, this ain't safe. It'll be in front of us.
That's good.
Now you can't see a god dang thing.
Got our boy Michael Drago over here.
Alright, it's getting close now. That's either it or whatever it is will be here in like 30 seconds to a minute. Hopefully we're south of the hail.
Oh, they've stopped on 75 over there.
Are they?
Yeah, completely.
That one big rig's still moving. Woo! Dang, a lot of water got in here fast. Guess wind speed's not that important.
Oh, God.
We've made a mistake.
Have we?
Yeah. Look at those trees. This is it right here, dude.
Oh. Oh, God.
Hold on.
Uh-oh.
Keep recording.
Oh, I am.
Oh, God, look behind us.
It just destroyed that billboard right beside us. And pour down the traffic
Oh,
lights.
look at these trees. Record it, record it. Michael took off, huh?
Yeah.
Oh God, I shouldn't have done that. That could have been a microburst. I was just trying to go down that ditch. I don't think we should go straight here. I think we should turn around.
Yeah, the billboard behind us just got ripped to pieces. I didn't get that on camera, but I saw it.
Yeah, I turned around. I saw severe wind. I'm gonna turn into the wind here so I can see debris if it's coming. Too bad it's so much rain.
Yeah, the traffic lights are down behind us.
Oh, really?
They're in the road.
Right, I'm gonna turn around here.
All right.
Go ahead and call that NWS number I gave you.
Okay.
Put it on speakerphone.
Calling now.
What town is this? There's debris
Adel.
there's debris in the winds.
Oh yeah.
Oh God.
Okay, calling.
You've reached National Weather Service in Tallahassee, Florida. If you need parties extension,
Hey, Hiram?
No, in Tallahassee. This is Adel.
Ada.
Press the pound sign. For police weather information, press 0. To reach someone on the operations staff, press 1. To reach the administrative support and assistant, press 2. To reach the flight coordination meteorologist, press 3. To reach the science operations officer, Park Scan, press 4. To
Press
reach
0.
the site offices, County Contact, press 4. Thank you for calling the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Tallahassee.
Just hang up. Whatever. Should we 911 report? Surely they've heard of this by now.
Yeah, see this right here?
Yeah. All right, go ahead and call 911 and I'll talk to them.
Okay.
Hey, if you haven't got it yet, just reporting a tornado touchdown on I-75 in what town is this?
Adel.
In Adel.
I-75, where at?
Right by the King Frog, we've got traffic lights in the road. Like they've fallen, they're in the highway.
Alright, we'll go ahead and let them know.
All right, thank you.
Apparently haven't got it yet. I'm gonna go do this kind of fast.